If they will not attend, then we have to deal with it na accordingly kung ano yung ebidensyang darating sa amin. Anyway, there is already the admission and confession ng mga subjects eh. That's why they're being subpoenaed to clear the light to kung ano bang participation nila talaga. Kung wala naman at inigi-invento lang itong mga tao na ito, then we are willing to help them to prosecute these personalities.
Kung sakali ko na wala sila, tapos yun nga po yung evidence lang, you can still recommend for it.
Depende sa assessment natin. I have to remind the public and everyone that si former Congressman Jing Paras and si Congressman Landon Libiste were mentioned by the persons na nahuli natin. So as of now, as we speak, they're considered na wala pa talaga na sasabi may kasalanan. So ang punto natin dito, kung anong ebidensya, so they're entitled to due process. So kailangan magpaliwanag sila. Yun naman yung proseso dapat ng batas eh. May binanggit, but we have to inform them na binanggit sila. And the part of the due process is the investigation, so I encourage them to participate.